Well, hi everybody. Mindy here. Today is Friday, so it's time to do an update on the Magic EA. Today is actually Friday the 9th of June on year 2023, and we had another very unusual circumstance this week. When I show you the results for this week, you'll understand why it was unusual. Okay, the trading week, actually I record as Sunday, June 4th, because that's when the week started, and I take the ending date out till tomorrow, which will be June 10th, because that way I can capture all of the data for this trading week without any trouble. And we had a booked profit this week of $3,925.91. Now, that does break down to 3.9%, because remember, I base the profit percentage from the original balance in the account, which was $10,000. Okay, so I do that so that I can see how the profit is playing out week by week, and I never increase the base trade size of the trades. So it's a pretty accurate representation of how the EA performed this week as opposed to last week or a month ago or whatever, right? That's why I do my percentage that way. Okay, now this week we had 35 closed positions. We only had 3 original trades that closed this week. 2 of them were new original trades, and one of them was one of the old original trades. Okay, so there are currently still 2 open positions that are original trades, and they are from weeks ago. Okay, I only made 4 manual interventions this week. Now, the week started off really well because we essentially made the entirety of the $3,925 on the Sunday, Monday, and Monday, Tuesday trading days, the first 2 days of the trading week. Because on Tuesday evening, at some point, or afternoon, the broker's server went down. And the server was down all of Wednesday, all of Thursday, and most of today, which was Friday. So when the broker's server is not working, the EA can't do anything. We could not even log into the trading accounts. Okay, now this has happened before, but typically if there's a glitch in the broker's server, my experience has been that that only lasts typically for maybe a couple of hours before they get it straightened out. It is extremely unusual that a broker will have a server that's down for 3 days. But it happened, you know. This is the first time I can ever remember out of the 25 years that I've been trading forex where a broker's server went down for 3 days. Okay, so the servers were back up and running by the end of the day today, but by the time I realized that the server was back up and running, it was late into the trading day, so it was at the point where I wasn't going to try to make any trades at that point in the trading day anyway. Okay, so anyway, this should have been a blockbuster week for the EA, and my anticipation for the week on Sunday and Monday, when it started off doing really well this week, was that I thought that this might be another week where we made maybe 40 to 50% this week in the account. But that didn't happen, because when the server's down, there's nothing we can do. But I do fully expect that next week assuming the broker server is working correctly, we should have another pretty good week where we'll probably make, 40-50%, maybe even more than that, because all of the trades that we're currently in are positioned to have reversals in the price action. And when that happens, we'll get out of a whole bunch of the trades that are stuck in there. But essentially, when we look at the account history for this week, right now it's sorted by exit time, meaning that, first of all, yeah, here it is, the exit time. So it's starting with the first trade that closed on this trading week, which happened on 6/5. And what we see is that all of these trades, all the way down to here, closed on 6/5, which was a Sunday, Monday trading day. And when we scroll on down, not only did we have that one complete page, but we got down to here. Okay, and then on 6/6, which was the Monday, Tuesday trading day, we only had 2, 3, 2, 4, actually 5, 5 trades that closed. So that tells you how early in the second trading day of the week when the servers went down. And so anyway, we started off with a bang and then nothing. No trades closed after 11 a.m. MetaTrader time on June 6th, which was Tuesday, early on Tuesday. So anyway, let's go ahead and sort these by comment so that you can see that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hedges. Some of them were level 2 hedges. Some of them were level 1 hedges that closed. And we had the same number of quick fixers that closed. We only had 2 original trades that closed. Now, like I told you before, one of those original trades went in on 6/6 and one went in on 6/5. And then we had this original trade that was one of the old trades that entered on May 2nd. So that trade has been in there just over a month, okay, 5 weeks. But like I said, everything always comes out sooner or later. So that's what happened. We had 3 original trades closed, 2 of which were new this week, and 1 was one of the old trades. And then when we see the manual trades that I made here, I made 1, 2, 3, 4 manual trades. So that's where our statistics come from that we log every week so that we have a way of seeing what's going on in the account. Now, when we go over to the trade tab, which is the open positions, it's essentially all the same open positions that have been here for some of them over a month now. Okay, so anyway, that's what we have going on there. Now, again, the spreads are very high right now because it's the weekend. The market's been closed for several hours. So our negative PL is distorted significantly from what it actually is because of the high spreads at the end of the week. But anyway, the account's still doing, I think, fantastically well. We have a balance now of $89,572 since we started trading this, the first week of January, about halfway through the first week of January. And we still have plenty of free margin to be carrying this negative PL. No problem whatsoever. Not a threat at all. Because we're never going to close these trades for losses, right? They all come out for a profit eventually with the method that we use for trading. So if you are interested in finding out more about the Magic EA, you can come to my website, which is mindyyost.com, and there'll be all the information right here that you need to purchase the Magic EA, and I teach you what to do and how to do it when it comes to the trade situations that get stuck and you need to do those manual trades, right? So I teach you how to do that. It's not a problem. But I do highly recommend that before you use the Magic EA on a live account, you test it on a demo account for at least a month. So I offer a very inexpensive option to use the Magic EA on a demo account, okay, before you put a big investment into buying it for your live account. So anyway, that's about all I have to say for this week, and hopefully next week the broker server won't go down. Okay, so anyway, I will see you next Friday. Happy trading, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.